This is a song I wrote a very long time ago. Scrap, please don't fight, not again. This is a song I wrote about those people in your life who just make it even 5% brighter when it's very difficult. It's called After Rain. Remember that, you won't go lonely. Sing that with me again, okay?
Call our roads to fall short because the snow is at our feet, and when embraces subside and the leaves have died, it comes down to her tears on a sheet. But it's alright because lanterns to light and force demons disperse. And if Lucifer may fear the swift drying of tears, then for evil you could not be worse. But I see you now, yeah, I see you, and release me now, kinda like dreams do. And I see you now, it's hard to see you. Just don't forget to sing. Remember everything. The only little girl I know who'd bring a kite in the snow said you just don't know, but I said nah, I'm gonna let it go. When your heart hurts, days like today are the antidote. If you think just maybe it's her, promise me all mine, you're gonna let her know. Sleep by the wall. Pick a weapon up or something. We're about to have ourselves a brawl. And that night when we know open, he heard us singing down the hall, singing about him, at least he was hoping. She left and listened to her enthrall. Oh no, no. Singing down the hall, singing about him. no, no. And that night when window opened, he heard her singing down the hall, singing about him, least he was hoping. She left her listener enthralled. Oh no, no, no. Oh, no.
Sing that with me. You won't go lonely.
You won't go lonely yet. You won't go lonely yet. You won't go lonely yet. You won't go lonely yet.
As loud as you can, everyone that's in here.
You won't go lonely yet. You won't go lonely yet. You won't go lonely yet.
Thank you.